In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make about $500 per day using one of the latest means that only few people know about, and this means is none other than the use of Google Maps. So make sure to stay tuned. But before we get fully started, if you're new to my YouTube channel, you're highly welcome. So make sure to subscribe so as not to miss out on more highly informative content that I do upload on my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's get fully into today's video. So the very first thing is you want to ensure you have these two sites open, Chatgpt and also Google Maps. The main idea here is to search for businesses around the globe, and Google Maps has made this very easy for us. As for me, I do prefer either Nigeria or the United States, but majorly I go for the United States. So what you want to do is to select a country that you feel you're able to communicate better in the language, or a country that you know they actually pay very well. Okay, so as for me, I do go for the United States. So what you want to do over here is to come to search Google Maps, and now depending on the country you want to opt into, okay, let's just go for the United States for the sake of today's tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already in the United States over here. So now you want to zoom in. Okay, you can use your mouse scroll, or then you can just select this plus icon. You want to select a city or a state. Okay, let's just look through. Let's go for Dallas. Okay, so let's say you want to go for Dallas. Now you want to select Dallas, and then at the side you're going to see a lot of businesses, a lot of companies, a lot of areas with a lot of reviews. Okay, so the basic thing you want to do over here is to search for small businesses. Okay, if you're the type that don't know what small businesses are, you can as well go to ChatGPT. Okay, and now you want to type in list small businesses for me. Okay, so ChatGPT is gonna list small businesses. Okay, you can see freelance services, you can see retail, you can see food and beverages, you can see health and fitness, you can see home services. Okay, so now you want to list this out. You can either write it down or you can just copy it and paste it somewhere on your system, and now you want to search for businesses based on what ChatGPT has given you over here. Okay, and the best business you can actually go for would be the coffee shop, or you can go for a catering business, or you can just go for cleaning services, a business that you know is not that big. That is the main idea of this tutorial. Okay, you want to go for a business that is not that big, a business that you know that the person in charge is probably just starting, or the person in charge is someone that is still yet to be known. Okay, that's the main idea, that's the main target personnel. Okay, so let's go for cleaning services. Okay, so now you want to go back to Google Map, and now you want to search for cleaning services in this particular place in the United States. Okay, so Dallas cleaning service. Okay, so let's see. So as you guys can see, we have a lot of cleaning service over here. So now, like I said, you want to go for a small business. Okay, so now we're just gonna keep scrolling till we find a particular cleaning business with lower rating, with lower reviews. Okay, so that's the main idea. So let's keep scrolling down. Let's see. Okay, if you don't find over here, you can as well go to another state. Okay, let's say in Dallas I don't really have a very I can find someone with a small business that deals with cleaning services. I can just cancel this. Okay, I can just cancel this, and then zoom out and then go somewhere else. Okay, let's go for Texas this time. Okay, let's go for Texas, and then cleaning services. Okay, cleaning services. Okay, so like I said, the main idea is to find a small business. Okay, if you actually go for a bigger business, it's not a big deal. It's just that you're going to be having a lot of competition. Okay, but if you go for a smaller business, it's going to make things easier. Okay, so that's the main aim. So we can see 3.4 over here and 26. Okay, this is actually okay, but let's scroll down and see if we can have more. Okay, let's see if we we can have smaller. Okay, this looks just perfect, guys. This looks perfect. Texas cleaning services, we just have 17 and then 2.9 rating. This looks perfect. So now what you want to do once you've identified the particular business you want to do this for, all you want to do is to copy out this number over here. Okay, you can just select it. Okay, and now you want to look at it. You can look for the pictures. You can just look through. You can see 30 photos. Okay, we can just take this to the side panel, scroll through. You can see these are just samples of places, the businesses that I've cleaned or things they've done. All right, so we can just cancel this, and now you want to go for the contact. You can see the contact of the person. So now what you want to do over here is to contact this person. Okay, you can either contact the person through the phone or through a normal message if the person actually dropped their email. Okay, so what you want to do right now, as you can see, the rating is not really good. So now you want to call this person and then you want to speak with the person. Okay, I am a particular agent and I can help you promote your business. I can help you get better reviews. I can help you get better customers. I can help you get better clients. Okay, and now you must be able to convince this person. Now, how do you convince this person? Okay, you can convince this person by ensuring you have a certificate. Okay, a Google certificate. There's a certificate for this, which is on the site over here where we have Google My Business. If you come to Google My Business, you can see you can actually get a certificate, and it's just 42 minutes. Okay, once you complete this certificate, you have it, and then with this you can show the person, and the person will actually see that yes, you are legit and you're good to go. Now the main question is, how do you actually make money from this? Now you actually make money from this with the use of freelancing sites. You can either use freelancing site or just communicate with a person through a normal social media. It could be WhatsApp, it could be Facebook, Instagram, whatever means you can actually communicate with the person. Okay, and then once you do this for the person actually pays you for it. And now the normal price tags for this type of business is around $300 to about $1,000. But then I would advise you actually start small. Okay, so imagine you're doing these for about 5 different businesses in a day, and then you're charging even $200. That's about 200 times 5, that's $1,000. Okay, and then if you don't just want to communicate with the person for payment, you can as well create an Upwork or Fiverr page. Okay, you can create an Upwork or Fiverr service. Okay, and then you tell the person to actually go over there and make payment through your normal Upwork or Fiverr freelancing service, and then you're good to go. It's not hard. You just want to help the person to promote, and you just want to help the person to get more buyers. So the very first thing is to study this, get the certificate, understand what it's about, understand how you can actually do this, and then you can as well use Chatgpt to also give you a guide. Okay, for example, you can just tell Chatgpt, help me out in promoting a cleaning business on social media. Okay, and then this is just an example. As you can see, ChatGPT is actually going to tell you what you can do for the person, and then while you following what ChatGPT gives you, the person will actually pay you for this. So guys, you can see with the use of Google Maps, it's like an unlimited means of making a lot of money, because this is the entire globe. I can just quit this and then I can go to Nigeria, I can go to whatever country I know I can speak that language. Okay, but United States is one of the best because the currency is actually very good. You can go for the United Kingdom or United States, depending on whatever country you prefer. You can as well go for any other country, but the main idea is to search for small business, and then you want to search for a business owner that doesn't really have that review or that doesn't really have that popularity, and then you want to convince them yes, you can help them do this, and then you have to communicate with them, whatever means you want to communicate with them, and then you can actually link them through your social media or your freelancing service, either with the use of Fiverr or Upwork or whatever other freelancing service, and then you get paid for this. But yes, you must ensure you deliver. Okay, and the best way to deliver is by going through this course to understand how you can actually do this, and then you can as well use your ChatGPT to make things even easier. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from today's video and you get the idea that a lot of people are using right now to make money through this, then make sure to drop a comment and also make sure to drop a like on this video, and I will see you guys in my next highly informative video.